Welcome back to Car Alerts. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Mazda CX-5, one of the most beloved compact SUVs in the market. Mazda continues to refine the CX-5, offering an elegant mix of style, performance, and technology. If you're considering this SUV for your next ride, stick around as we break down every detail, from its exterior aesthetics to its engine performance, interior comfort, and pricing. Let's get started. Exterior. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Mazda CX-5 is its striking front-end design. Mazda continues its signature Kodo design giving the CX-5 a sophisticated and sporty appearance. The large, intricately patterned grille is flanked by slimmer, more aggressive LED headlights. The Mazda emblem sits proudly in the center, seamlessly blending with the surrounding black mesh grille, creating a unified and premium look. The front bumper is subtly sculpted to enhance aerodynamics while adding a sense of motion, even when the car is stationary. Chrome accents outline the grille, emphasizing its bold stance, and the adaptive LED headlights now feature improved illumination for better nighttime visibility. The hood showcases gentle curves that lead seamlessly into the A-pillars, further enhancing the vehicle's sleek profile. Moving to the side, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 maintains its well-proportioned, dynamic stance. It features a slightly longer wheelbase than its predecessor, improving both stability and interior space. The character lines flow smoothly from the front fenders to the rear, giving the vehicle an elegant yet muscular presence. The side mirrors, now slightly more aerodynamic, come with integrated turn signals and a body-colored design that blends seamlessly into the overall look. The vehicle sits on a set of stylish 19-inch alloy wheels in the higher trims, featuring a new design that enhances its sporty appeal. Lower trims come with 17-inch wheels, offering a balance between comfort and efficiency. Black cladding around the wheel arches adds a touch of ruggedness, making it suitable for light off-road adventures. The door handles are body-colored and incorporate keyless entry, allowing for easy access. The sloping roofline tapers gently towards the rear, contributing to the crossover's coupe-like aesthetics while maintaining practicality. The roof rails provide additional versatility for those who need to carry extra cargo, making it an ideal vehicle for road trips and outdoor adventures. At the rear, the 2025 CX-5 continues to impress with its refined design. The slim, horizontally oriented LED taillights give the back end a modern and upscale look. A subtle roof spoiler adds a sporty touch while enhancing aerodynamics. The rear bumper has been slightly reshaped, integrating dual chrome exhaust outlets for a more performance-inspired feel. The Mazda badge sits centrally on the tailgate, just above the cleanly designed license plate area. The power liftgate, available on higher trims, allows for hands-free operation, making loading and unloading cargo more convenient. A rear wiper is neatly tucked under the roof spoiler, ensuring a clean rear window without disrupting the vehicle's elegant lines. Overall, the rear design strikes a perfect balance between sophistication and sportness, staying true to Mazda's design philosophy. Interior. Step inside, and the 2025 Mazda CX-5 welcomes you with a premium and well-crafted interior. The materials used throughout the cabin have been upgraded, featuring more soft-touch surfaces and refined stitching details. The dashboard layout remains clean and driver-focused, with a minimalistic yet elegant approach. A new 12.3-inch infotainment display takes center stage, offering crisp visuals and a user-friendly interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. Below the screen, the climate control system is neatly integrated, featuring physical buttons and dials for easy operation. The center console houses a rotary dial for infotainment controls, maintaining Mazda's commitment to reducing driver distraction. The front seats are designed for both comfort and support, upholstered in high-quality materials. Higher trims offer Napa leather seating with heating and ventilation, ensuring a luxurious experience in all weather conditions. The driver's seat features power adjustments with lumbar support, allowing for a personalized driving position. The steering wheel, wrapped in leather, comes with multifunction controls and paddle shifters in sportier trims. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, displaying navigation directions, fuel efficiency, and driver assistance system alerts. Rear passengers are not left out, as the 2025 CX-5 provides ample legroom and headroom. The seats are well contoured, ensuring long-distance comfort. The rear seats can recline slightly for added relaxation, and a center armrest with cup holders enhances convenience. USB charging ports and rear air vents ensure passengers stay connected and comfortable on every journey. The cargo area offers a generous amount of space, easily accommodating luggage, groceries, or outdoor gear. The 40-20-40 split folding rear seats provide flexibility, allowing for a combination of passengers and cargo. Performance under the hood. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 offers a choice between two engines. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces 187 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque, delivering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those craving more performance, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine is available, producing up to 256 horsepower and 320 lb-ft torque when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, providing responsive acceleration and refined driving dynamics. Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system comes standard across all trims, enhancing traction and stability in various road conditions. The G-Vectoring Control Plus system improves cornering performance, making the CX-5 one of the most engaging compact SUVs to drive. Fuel efficiency remains impressive, with the base engine achieving an estimated 26 mph and 31 mph, while the turbocharged variant delivers slightly lower numbers due to its increased power output. Safety is a top priority for Mazda, and the 2025 CX-5 is equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims offer a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and a head-up display for added convenience and safety. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda CX-5 remains competitive, offering great value for its class. The base S trim starts at approximately $29,000, providing a solid list of standard features. The mid-level trims, such as the Select and Preferred, range between $32,000 and $35,000, adding premium touches like a power liftgate and upgraded interior materials. The high-end Turbo and Turbo Signature trims start around $38,000 and can go up to $42,000 with additional packages, offering the most luxurious experience and performance enhancements. Overall, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to set the benchmark in the compact SUV segment. With its refined design, premium interior, engaging driving dynamics, and competitive pricing, it remains a top contender for those seeking a well-rounded and stylish vehicle. Whether you prioritize comfort, performance, or advanced technology, the CX-5 delivers in every aspect. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed car reviews. Stay tuned for the next episode of Car Alerts, and as always, drive safe and stay informed.